Imagine you're listening to a catchy, upbeat song. It's got a unique blend of Latin rhythms and modern pop, and it's stuck in your head. You love it, but you have no idea where it's from. You look up the artist's name and it's Raiz. Who is Raiz? And where are they from? That's the question that's been puzzling music fans around the world. So, today, we're going to dive deep into the mystery of Raiz's origins. Before we reveal the answer, let's explore a bit about Raiz's music. Their sound is a refreshing mix of Latin rhythms, pop melodies, and a touch of electronic elements. It's a sound that's both familiar and new, and it's captured the hearts of listeners worldwide. But where does this unique sound come from? Is Raiz from a Latin American country? Or maybe somewhere in Europe? The mystery has been the subject of much speculation and debate among fans. One of the most popular theories is that Raiz is from a Latin American country. After all, their music is heavily influenced by Latin rhythms and sounds. Many fans have speculated that they could be from Brazil, Mexico, or even Cuba. But there's a problem with this theory. Raiz's music has a certain global appeal that doesn't seem to be confined to a specific Latin American country. Their songs have been popular in countries all over the world, suggesting that their origins might be more diverse. Another theory is that Raiz is from somewhere in Europe. This theory is based on the fact that Raiz's music often incorporates elements of European pop and electronic music. Some fans have speculated that they could be from Spain, Italy, or even Germany. However, this theory also has its flaws. While Raiz's music does have European influences, it's still predominantly Latin-inspired. It's hard to imagine that an artist from Europe could create such authentic-sounding Latin music. So, what's the truth? Where is Raiz actually from? Well, I'm happy to reveal that Raiz is not from any specific country. They are actually a musical collective made up of artists from all over the world. The group's members come from countries as diverse as Brazil, Spain, Mexico, and even the United States. This explains why Raiz's music has such a global appeal. It's a product of collaboration and diversity, and it's a testament to the power of music to bring people together. So, there you have it. The mystery of Raiz's origins has been solved. They are not from any one country, but rather a global collective of talented musicians. Raiz's music is a beautiful example of how different cultures can come together to create something truly unique and special. It's a sound that's both familiar and new, and it's sure to continue to captivate audiences around the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.